Hello everyone, and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of detoxification. We'll explore advanced detoxification secrets to help you unleash your inner detox master. Detoxification, often referred to as detox, is the body's natural process of eliminating toxins and unwanted substances. Our modern lifestyle, with its exposure to pollutants, chemicals, and processed foods, can burden our detoxification system. By understanding and supporting this process, you can enhance your overall health and well-being. To begin with, let's talk about the basics of detoxification. The body has several organs responsible for detoxification, including the liver, kidneys, skin, lungs, and lymphatic system. The liver is the primary detoxification organ, filtering toxins from the blood and converting them into harmless substances that can be excreted. The kidneys filter waste products from the blood and excrete them through urine. The skin eliminates toxins through sweat, while the lungs expel volatile compounds through breath. The lymphatic system transports and filters lymph, a fluid containing white blood cells that help fight infection. One of the fundamental principles of detoxification is reducing your exposure to toxins. This involves making conscious choices about what you eat, drink, and use in your daily life. Opt for organic foods to minimize pesticide intake, choose natural cleaning products to reduce chemical exposure, and avoid processed foods that contain additives and preservatives. Drinking filtered water and using glass or stainless steel containers instead of plastic can also help reduce toxin exposure. Now, let's delve into some advanced detoxification secrets that can enhance your body's natural detox processes. These techniques go beyond the basics and offer powerful ways to support your body's ability to cleanse and rejuvenate. First, consider incorporating specific detoxifying foods into your diet. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain compounds that support liver detoxification enzymes. Beets are rich in betaine, which helps the liver process fats and eliminate toxins. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that enhance detoxification pathways, while cilantro can help chelate heavy metals from the body. Another potent detoxification secret is the use of herbs and supplements. Milk thistle is a well-known herb that supports liver health and regeneration. Dandelion root promotes bile production and aids in the elimination of toxins. N-acetylcysteine NAC is a precursor to glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in detoxification. Chlorella and spirulina are nutrient-dense algae that can bind to heavy metals and facilitate their removal from the body. In addition to dietary changes, certain lifestyle practices can significantly boost your detoxification efforts. Dry brushing is a technique that involves using a natural bristle brush to exfoliate the skin and stimulate lymphatic circulation. This helps remove dead skin cells and promotes the elimination of toxins through the skin. Infrared saunas are another excellent tool for detoxification. The heat from infrared saunas penetrates deep into the tissues, promoting sweating and the release of toxins stored in fat cells. Hydration is a critical aspect of detoxification that is often overlooked. Drinking adequate water helps flush toxins from the kidneys and supports overall cellular function. Aim to drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water each day. Herbal teas, such as dandelion, nettle, and ginger, can also support detoxification by promoting liver and kidney function. Exercise plays a vital role in detoxification by increasing circulation and promoting the elimination of toxins through sweat. Activities like yoga, which incorporate deep breathing and stretching, can also support lymphatic drainage and improve overall detoxification. High-intensity interval training HIIT can enhance cardiovascular health and boost metabolism, aiding in the elimination of toxins. Another advanced detoxification secret is the practice of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This can help give your digestive system a break, allowing the body to focus on repair and detoxification. During fasting, the body can increase autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged components and recycle them, promoting cellular health. Sleep is a crucial, yet often underestimated, component of detoxification. During sleep, the body undergoes various repair and regeneration processes. The brain's lymphatic system, which is responsible for clearing waste products from the central nervous system, is particularly active during sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal detoxification and overall health. Mindfulness and stress management techniques can also play a significant role in detoxification. Chronic stress can negatively impact the body's ability to detoxify by disrupting hormonal balance and impairing liver function. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and spending time in nature can help reduce stress and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet can support gut health, which is closely linked to detoxification. A healthy gut microbiome can help break down toxins and prevent their absorption into the bloodstream. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent sources of probiotics. Probiotics, found in foods like garlic, onions, leeks, and bananas, feed beneficial gut bacteria and promote a healthy microbiome. Another advanced detoxification strategy is the use of binders. Binders are substances that can bind to toxins in the digestive tract and facilitate their excretion. Activated charcoal, bentonite clay, and chlorella are examples of binders that can be used to support detoxification. However, it's essential to use these under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid potential side effects and ensure they are appropriate for your specific needs. Detoxification is not just about eliminating toxins, but also about nourishing and supporting the body's natural processes. Ensure you are getting adequate nutrients, particularly those involved in detoxification pathways, such as vitamins B, C, E, and minerals like zinc, selenium, and magnesium. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can provide the necessary nutrients for optimal detoxification. It's also important to be aware of potential detoxification reactions, sometimes referred to as a healing crisis. These can occur when the body begins to release stored toxins, leading to temporary symptoms like headaches, fatigue, or skin breakouts. If you experience these symptoms, it's crucial to support your body with gentle detox methods, stay hydrated, and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. In summary, detoxification is a complex and multifaceted process that involves various organs and systems in the body. By understanding and supporting these processes, you can enhance your body's ability to eliminate toxins and promote overall health. Incorporating detoxifying foods, herbs, supplements, lifestyle practices, and mindfulness techniques can help you unleash your inner detox master. Thank you for joining me on Banana Life. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with anyone you know who is interested in enhancing their health through detoxification, and leave a comment below with your own tips and experiences. Together, we can create a supportive and empowering community. Take care and stay committed to your journey of health and well-being.